In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable macros in Excel. If you work with automated spreadsheets, reports, or custom Excel tools, knowing how to manage macro settings is really useful. Macros can help automate repetitive tasks, but because they can also contain code, Excel keeps them disabled or restricted by default for security. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to choose the option that works best for your needs. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can open a blank workbook or any Excel file since the setting we need is inside the main program options. Once Excel is open, click the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. This takes you to the Backstage view where you can access account settings, save options, and Excel preferences. From the menu on the left, scroll all the way down and select Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where many of the program's advanced settings are stored. In the Excel Options window, click Trust Center. The Trust Center is the area Microsoft uses to manage security and privacy settings, including how Excel handles files that may contain macros. Next, click Trust Center Settings. This opens a separate window with more detailed security controls. In the left pane of that window, select Macro Settings. This is the section where you decide how Excel should respond when a workbook contains macros. You'll now see several options. Disable all macros without notification is the most secure choice because macros are blocked completely and Excel won't ask whether you want to enable them. Disable all macros with notification is the recommended option for most people, since it blocks macros by default but gives you the choice to enable them when you open a trusted file. Disable all macros except digitally signed macros allows only signed macros from trusted publishers. Finally, enable VBA macros lets macros run more freely, and this should only be used if you fully trust the files you're opening. After choosing the setting you want, click OK. Then click OK again to close the Excel Options window and apply the change. If Excel prompts you to close and reopen the application, go ahead and do that so the new setting takes effect properly. That's it. You've successfully updated your macro settings in Excel. As a final tip, it's best to enable macros only for files from trusted sources, especially if you receive spreadsheets from email attachments or downloads. This helps you balance convenience with security while still getting the full power of Excel automation.